Hello ECISD Elementary School students and parents. Here's what's on the menu for this week. We'll start off our Monday with a breakfast of an oatmeal chocolate chip cereal bar, fruit, juice, or milk. And for lunch we'll have pepperoni pizza, California blend veggies, edamame, fruit, and milk. On Tuesday for breakfast we'll have a pancake with a sausage patty, fruit, juice, or milk. And for lunch we'll have chicken tenders with a Dutch waffle, steamed broccoli, orange glazed carrots, fruit, and milk. Then Wednesday for breakfast we'll have a morning sausage roll, fruit, juice, or milk. And for lunch we'll have a hamburger or cheeseburger, burger salad, potato crinkle cut fries, fruit, and milk. And then on Thursday for breakfast we'll have a blueberry muffin, fruit, juice, or milk. And on our lunch menu we'll have turkey with gravy, cornbread dressing, a dinner roll, mashed potatoes and green beans, a confetti cookie, fruit, and milk. And we'll end off the week with Friday with a breakfast of a honey bun, fruit, juice, or milk. And finally for lunch we'll have a ham and cheese hoagie sandwich, a burger salad, fresh baby carrots, Dorito chips, fruit, and milk. And that's it for this week's elementary food menu. If you want to stay updated with our weekly elementary school food menus, then follow us at all of our social media platforms at Edinburgh CISD.